Kelly here. I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about being consistent. Consistency in Beachbody is key, and you want to stay consistent above all else. I mean, there's really no quick fixes. There's no fad diets here. There's nothing that's gonna be we're not about the quick fix. You might get quick results doing it the right way, but there's no such thing as a quick fix. Staying consistent is key. We want you to develop lifelong habits because that's what's gonna keep you healthy, happy, and it's gonna rub off on your family. So I kind of want to talk about a couple things that keep us from being consistent. And the first thing is internal excuses. That could be things like, I'm too tired. I don't have any support. This is too hard. Is this really worth it? And I'm here to tell you that, yeah, it is. That's just something we all deal with. Stress, things like that. And you just have to keep pushing on because you want to create a healthy habit, not an obsession with a quick fix. Some other things that'll keep you is external excuses like my kids, my job, my life circumstances. Sometimes things happen. Sometimes you get sick. What do you do during that time? You guys, the biggest thing is just push play. Get up every day and decide that you are going to make your health a priority. Drink your Shakeology. Work out. Even if you're exhausted and you just can push play and work out for 10 minutes, that is better because that is actually creating the habit, and that's what we're looking for. You might not finish and you don't always have to achieve perfection, but you just want to stay consistent so that you can create that habit and have a good, healthy lifestyle. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. I want you guys to post down below and let me know when things get hard, what's the minimum amount of time that you know that you can at least accomplish, whether it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever it is that you're going to commit to do even when things get hard. All right, guys.